Hi everyone. One of the things I want to show you on Instagram is how you can post multiple photos that can be in different aspect ratios, whether it be square, landscape or portraits. Now previously, if you did this, it would kind of crop them off and not do them quite right. It kind of wanted you to have the same aspect ratio for all of them. So all of them in portrait, landscape or square. So you can see I've got some pictures here. This one is landscape, portraits, square, square, again landscape, landscape and portrait. And maybe I want to put them all into one post. So let's just go over to Instagram. So I've tapped to add a post and I've gone to my folder here, which you can see is called Insta Tutorial. It's just here below the photo that's selected. And you can see there are my pictures. Now, maybe I want this one first, which is of this little harvest mouse. And to make it a multiple, I just tap on this button here on the right. There we go. Now I can add more, and I'm going to add this one. And instantly you can see the problem here is it's cropped it. I can move it, but it's not the picture that I wanted. And you can see it's okay for anything that matches, such as anything that was landscape. So it bases it on the first photo. Now, this one might be okay if I just move it around a bit, maybe not. And you're looking here and you're thinking, how do you actually change it so that it will take all these different ones? Well, I have to tap on next on the top right. And over here, you can see there's a square, sort of a square with rounded corners on the left-hand side, just at the bottom left-hand corner of this picture. So what I'm going to do is tap on that. And I've now got the option to have landscape, because that was the first one, square, which I don't want, or mixed. So now if I go through, the mixed is picking up whatever their proper orientation was. Then all I have to do is go next, and I can now do everything that I would normally do in a post. So that's what you've got to do. You want to select that mixed option. When you select the pictures initially, you don't see that until you move on to the next page, as you just saw, or next screen. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe.